Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today I am here to teach you additions in chapter 3. Already in class 2, we have learnt about additions. Let us revise. Addition. What is addition? Let us know. The process of combining two or more numbers is called addition. And add-ins, the numbers being added, we need two numbers or more numbers for addition. So the numbers being added are known as add-ins. Example, 53 plus 21 is equal to 76. 53 and 21 are add-ins. Sum. Sum is nothing but the result of an addition. The answer we get after addition is called sum. So in this 53 plus 21 are add-ins, and the answer we got is 74. 74 is the sum. That is sum. And we use the symbol plus for addition. Now we just revise the additions which we learnt in class 2. Two and three digit numbers without carrying. Add. (53 plus 45). So addition is nothing but forward counting. So 3 plus 5. Always start counting from the ones place. How many digits are there in the numbers? But you should always start counting from the ones. So 3 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 4. Take 4 after 5. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 98 is the answer. In the same way about in 3 digit numbers, ones, tens, hundreds. Three plus 6. So when we add two numbers, even though if the order is changed, there is no change in the result. So add 3 to 6 now. 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. And 5 plus 1, 6. In this way, you can add 3 digit numbers or 2 digit numbers without carrying. Sum of 3 digit numbers now. First, add these two numbers. 2 plus 3. For this, add this number. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. And 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 plus 2, 7. So this is the easy way, and you can add any 3 digit numbers, 2 3 digit numbers like this. There are some properties of addition. Any number plus 0 is the same number. And if any two numbers are added in any order, if two numbers are added in any order, we get the same answer, the sum will be the same. And in the same way, 0 is, if any number is added to 0 also we get the same number. So the order may not change the answer here. So if two numbers are added in any order, we get the same result. And if two or more numbers are also grouped and added, we get the same result. 5 plus 3 plus 4 equals 3 plus 4 plus 5. So if you group the numbers in any order and add, the result will not change. The answer will be, the sum will be the same. These are the properties of addition. And if you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number. Remember these in your mind while adding. Find the sum of. Sum is nothing but the answer we get of after addition. 165. 103. So, these are the numbers given. You should arrange them in columns and then add. Ones, tens, hundreds. The first number is 165, 103, 214. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Carry 1 here. So, 12. 1 10 plus 2 ones. So, this one should be carried to the tens place. 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And second sum. So add these three numbers now. Ones, tens, hundreds. 543, 52. It has only 2 digits. So start writing from the ones always. Don't start writing from here. It is wrong. 2 should be in ones and 5 should be in tens. And 340 here. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13, it has 3 tens and 10 tens here. 13 tens here total. So 3 should be written here and 10 tens make 100. It should be carried to here. 1 should be carried here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 935 is the answer. Now, let us go with addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. The places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The numbers given are 7,256 plus 1,342. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. This is only adding two 4-digit numbers. Let us go with three 4-digit numbers. Seven plus 0 is 7. I already told you 0 plus any number is the same number, 7. And 7 plus 2 is 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 is added to any number, we get the next number. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 3, 7. And to this sum we have to add this 2. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. 6,969 is the answer. Write the numbers in columns and add. First write the places here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Write the number 2,345, 1,230, 2,211. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. It can be done as 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So there is no difference, change of order doesn't make any difference. You can add anyhow. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5,786 is the answer. So again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1,415, 1,300, 2,146. 5 plus 0, 5. And 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry 1. 1,861 is the answer. Just you have to arrange them in columns, mark the places, and always start adding from the ones place. Addition by regrouping and carrying. Regrouping. What is regrouping? Regrouping is nothing but 10 ones make 1 10. So ones will be converted into tens and 10 tens into hundreds, 100. 10 tens make 100. And 10 hundreds will be changed to 1000. This is regrouping, just conversion of ones to tens, tens to hundreds, and hundreds to thousands. Let us see in the problems now. $2,948 plus 3,275. Always start adding from the ones place. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 has 1, 10, 3 ones. So 3 should be written in the ones place and this 1 should be carried to the tens. And 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. It has 12 tens. 2 should be written in the tens column. This 10 tens should be, this 1 should be carried to the ones. 10 tens make 100. So it should be carried to the hundreds place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Or 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 hundreds. So, this 2 hundreds in the hundreds place and this 10 hundreds will go to the 10 hundreds make 1,000. So, it will be carried to the thousands place. So, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. In this way, we will regroup. 10 tens make 100, so we will shift that, carry that 1 to the 100. If you get 2 digits here, what we got 12 here, that's 10 hundreds make 1000. That one will be shifted to the thousands place. Now let us go with the 3-4 digit numbers. 1698 2436 5741. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 8 plus 6 is 14. And this 14 plus 1 becomes 15 and carry 1 here. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Never forget to add this carry 1. We got 17 in the tens place. Carry 1 to the hundreds now. Write 7 in the tens. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 8 in the hundreds. Carry that 1 to the thousands. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9,875 is the sum of these three numbers. Now, add. 4,283, 934, 568. Here this number has 4 digits, this has 3 and this has 3 digits. Now we shall arrange in the columns and then add. 4,283 according to the places. 934, always start, it has 3 digits, then start writing from the hundreds place only. Don't write from here, it is wrong. 934 and 568. Let us add them. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 in the ones, carry 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Never forget to add this. 8 in the tens and carry 1 to hundreds. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Carry 1 to here. 7 in the hundreds and 1 to the thousands. 4 plus 1 is 5. So in this way you can add. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The first number is 474. Second number is 2,345. Start writing from the thousands place. 4,568. Karthik? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 in the ones, carry 1 to the tens. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Carry 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Carry 1 over here. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7,387 is the answer. So, in this way you can add any number of numbers in 4 digits, 3 digits and 2 digits. So add these numbers now. 34, 6,891, 384, 1,570. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So arrange them in columns. First write these 4-digit numbers first. 6,891. Next also this number 1,570. It will be convenient for adding if you write the more number of digits first. And 384. Next comes 2-digit number 34. Always write the digit number with more digits first. Then you can easily add. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. This 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Next 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. And for this add this 8. This 16 plus 8. 17, 18, 19. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 8 is, count after 17, count after 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 7 in the tens, carry 2 to the hundreds. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus this carry over 2 is 18. Carry 1 this. 8 in the hundreds and carry 1 to the thousands. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8,879 is the sum of these three numbers. No. Karthik. Now let us go with word problems. Karthik. Pause. Good morning, children. Already we have